depending on the design of the road. Here we are making use of 5 mm BRC, and all earthwork have been done. Everything is done. We are now setting our panel to receive concrete. Water is poured to the surface on the stone base, then our concrete is poured. All these things depends on the design and recommendation that is being used for the concrete work. So after the whole concrete has been poured, we use this rammer, which I'm also going to show here, to vibrate the concrete across all sections. We're using iron channel so that we'll get a uniform and a straight path for the concrete. Each section of this road carriage is 3.65. So we are ramming the concrete across now. After ramming the concrete, then the next thing is dressing. After the dressing, the concrete is now grooved, which our laborer is doing now. The concrete is now grooved to give it a rough surface for traction. Then, of course, the concrete is cured with a chemical agent when it's fresh to make sure that no water is lost, pending to when it is set to some degree, maybe later on in the evening, where we use our water tanker to pour water across. Then these dwarf rods are introduced. They are called connecting rods. The purpose is to connect this carriage to the next carriage that will be casted after this section.
Cutting the concrete. Every 5 minutes I will cut the concrete.
The purpose of this cut is to control cracking caused by shrinkage and thermal movement. This cracking is only controlled with this method. If you don't do this, within 3 days of casting your concrete, there will be random crack on the concrete. It's not that the concrete is weak, but because there is a thermal movement. Now, the higher the grade of your concrete, the higher the tendency of it being cracked. If you pour weak concrete, it can even stay 5 days without cracking. It can even stay perpetually without cracking. But if the concrete we are using here is grade 30, that's M30. If your concrete is high, you must do this, or else there will be serious crack in your road. Now, this road is called control joint. You can call it control joint or contraction cut or contraction joint. So this here is the joint. We cut in every 5 meters. There are other ones that comes in different specification. The thickness of our concrete is 150 mm, and we are following up with our specification. Note that after the earthwork, we'll pour the stone base before this concrete was laid. The concrete itself is grade 30 concrete. Stay tuned.